In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram account to Facebook Ads Manager 5 minutes. Connecting your Instagram to Facebook Ads Manager lets you run ads that use your Instagram handle, reply to DMs and comments from one inbox, and track performance in one place. For the smoothest setup, use a desktop browser, make sure you're an admin of the Facebook page in your business account, and have the Instagram login handy. If you manage multiple brands, consider using a private window to avoid cross-account mix-ups. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Once you're in, open Meta Business Suite. This is the hub for pages and ads. If you have more than one business, confirm the correct business account is selected before you continue. In Meta Business Suite, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. The settings area controls assets, permissions, and connected profiles. It's where the Instagram connection lives. Next, open your business account or the page you're managing. Make sure you're in that asset setting so the Instagram profile links to the right place. Find the Instagram section and choose Connect Instagram. This starts the linking flow that gives your business account permission to use the Instagram profile for ads and messaging. When the prompt appears, click Log into Instagram. If your browser is already signed into the right Instagram, you may see it pre-filled. Otherwise, you'll be asked to enter your credentials in an official Instagram pop-up. Click Continue to confirm the connection. You may be asked to grant permissions, accept them so Ads Manager can create and deliver ads using your Instagram account. If you use two-factor authentication on Instagram, complete that approval to proceed. Finally, enter your Instagram username and password in the pop-up window to log in and complete the connection. When it succeeds, you should see your Instagram handle listed as connected in Business Suite. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or clear your browser cache and try again. From here, select this Instagram account at the ad set or ad level. If you run into access errors, verify you have full control of the page in business settings or ask an admin to grant you the necessary permissions. That's it. Your Instagram is now linked to Facebook Ads Manager, ready for campaigns, messaging, and insights.